last one, vertex opposite of inside, -2, common number on right 2. So you put that in the center of your table. I made a little number line here showing you that -2 is in the center of your table. So when you're picking ordered pairs, I like to do ones equidistant. So 1 unit on the right would be -1, 1 unit on the left would be -3. So those y values are going to be the same. 2 units away on the right is 0. 2 units on the left is -4. So those y values will be the same. So it saves you a little bit of time. We'll plug in 1 together. So if we do 0.5 times, if I plug in -4, so -4 plus 2 is -2. You then raise to the power, so -2 squared is +4. After that, we multiply by what's in front. So 4 times 0.5, or 4 times 1/2 would be 2. And 2 plus 2 will get us 4. So if I plugged in -4 for x, my output was 4. And so I also know that 0 is going to be 4, because -4 and 0, right? -4 and 0 are both 2 units away from the center. So their y's are going to be the same. So to save us a little bit of time, I already did this. If you plug in -3, you'll get out 2.5 as your answer, if you want to check. And if you plug in -1, you'll also get out 2.5. So now let's go and graph. So we have -2, 2. So -2, 2. Right in there. We have -4, 4. So -4, 4. We have -3, 2.5. We have -2, 2. We have -1, 2.5. And we have 0, 4. Okay, so now we'll start at the center. Make your U shape as best as possible. Arrows. Start at center, vertex, U shape. Now notice again, the axis of symmetry is that, imaginary vertical line, right? That goes through your graph. It's invisible, right? It slices through and your graph is symmetric on both sides, right? So if I had green paint right here, right, and I flipped it across this axis of symmetry, I would see the paint there. All of the points are equidistant from this center vertical line, so to speak, right? And the axis of symmetry is x equals, because it's vertical, and it goes through the x coordinate of the vertex, which in this case is -2, just as a reminder. Okay, lastly, we're going to find this equation in standard form. So we will have y equals 0.5. We expand, so we write x plus 2, 2 times x plus 2, plus 2. We're going to FOIL next. So when we FOIL, if we do x plus 2 times x plus 2, we'll get x squared plus 4x plus 4. And in front we have the 0.5, behind we have plus 2. Okay, now we need to distribute our 0.5, or half, so multiply inside. So we have 0.5, or half x squared. A half, or 0.5 times 4 is 2, so plus 2x. Half times +4 is also 2. And then don't forget about this 2 on the outside. We need to write y equals. So then we combine like terms, which at the end we have those numbers we can combine. So we would have 0.5x squared plus 2x plus 4. So it's the same equation, it's just written in standard form.